Hi everybody. If you, like me, get an incredibly stiff neck and tight shoulders after being at work all day, here are a few easy moves for you to try. Okay, first of all, we're going to deal with the neck. So just sitting up nice and straight in your chair, take an inhale, exhale, sigh it out. And on the next inhale, turn to face the right. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, over to the left. Exhale, back to center. Again, inhale, over to the right. Really stretching out those neck muscles there. Exhale to the center. Inhale to the left. And exhale to the center. Okay, excellent. Now turn your chin 45-degree angle so your chest and your shoulders are still straight to the front. So this is halfway between looking over this shoulder and the front. Then take this hand, hold onto the back of your head, and then gently tilt your head forwards, really stretching out this neck muscle here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, release, come back up to center, and then you're just going to turn your chin 45 degrees the other way, so pointing in between the front and the side. The other hand goes up and over to the back of your head. And then just gently tilt the head down, stretching out this side of the neck. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, and release. Okay, so just a little bit of just stretching out those neck muscles. Now we're going to come on to the shoulders. So interlace your palms, your fingers like this, and hold them away from you. Inhale, raise them up overhead, but keep your gaze looking at your fingers. So you should be looking up at your fingers above you. Exhale, lower down those palms and the gaze as well. So inhale, the gaze goes up as the hands go overhead, really opening up that chest. And exhale, the hands go down, looking at those fingers. One more time. Inhale, all the way up, really looking up at those fingers, and exhale, down they go. All right, so this time we're going to go up to the top. Inhale with those hands all the way up at the top, and exhale, lean over to the side. Now try and open up your chest rather than curling it down like that. So as if you were trying to spin your chest up to the sky, and then come back up to center. Exhale over to the other side. Again, see if you can peek up to the ceiling to keep that chest open. Inhale back up to center, exhale and over, inhale, exhale and over, inhale, and I think we'll do it one more time. So really stretch those arms back first of all, and then over, inhale up, and exhale over and up. Excellent. And shake it all out. And this time place your right hand on your left shoulder, take your left hand and curl it around you to see whether you can kind of grab onto your left hand side. Try and keep that back elbow away from the back. Okay, and from here we're just going to twist round to the side. And back, one more time, round to the side, really stretching it out. And back, one more time, round to the back, to the front again and switch over. So the right hand goes on the left shoulder and the left hand goes round to grab on to whatever bit you can, or just rest it there on the side. Try and make sure your elbow is away from your back, and twist around to the side and back, twist round to the side and back. One more time, twist round to the side and back, and release. And we're going to finish with my favorite eagle arms, so arms out by the side, then cross over at the elbows, bring the bottom elbow up to 12 o'clock right in front of your nose, the other hand goes up. If you like to wiggle wangle around those palms to clutch each other, and then you can stay put. I'm just showing you what it looks like from the side. So from here, if you feel a nice stretch between your shoulder blades, then great. If you want more, just without hunching up your shoulders, simply raise those elbows and push those hands away from your face. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale, release. We're going to do that on the other side, so whichever elbow was on top before, you swap it around. So here we go, the bottom arm goes up, the top arm goes up to join it. If you can, just bring those palms to touch, and then again I'm going to scoot round to the side so you can see without hunching up your shoulders. Simply lift those elbows up and the hands away from the face. You should feel a nice stretch between the shoulder blades. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale, and release. Okay, so I'm hoping that your end of day neck and shoulders have found a little bit of tension relief. And that's it for today, folks. Namaste.